It's Most Julius with Yag Radio. You see it, man, the beautiful scenery of Tampa Bay. I had a few hours to come out here, so I decided to do some fishing. I had a few greenbacks left and also had some shrimp left as well. Everything frozen this morning. So I caught a few pinfish, a lot of pinfish, matter of fact. And I caught one mangrove snapper. He was around a little under 9 inches, so I ended up throwing him back. Now, I caught pinfish after pinfish, and when I switched up sides, it felt like I got a few bites right here, some big bites, but when I got the bite, it's like I got stuck in rocks. So if you got any advice, comment below, and like and subscribe for more. I got a lot more videos coming soon.